Hey, baby girl. Hey, baby, what's up? There's her yawn. I just had to get that on tape. Hey, baby girl. You got another one in there for me? Every time she yawns. Oh, there's another one. She makes a loud noise when she yawns. She's so precious, Poo-Poo. Nanalu. And there's Buddy and Kathy. Buddy is snoozing too. Oh, he wants to play. He's biting me. She's biting me. Nanalu. Hey, Nana. Got another yawn in there for me? Yes, I thought so. Well, this is our Christmas Eve day. Sitting on the couch. Hey, baby. Hey, baby girl. Hey, baby girl. Hey, sweetie. Look at those needle teeth. Needle teeth. Hey, baby, you got another yawn in there for me? For everybody? Hey, baby. You got another yawn in there for me? Say, no, I just want to play. I just woke up from a nap. I want to play. That's my baby girl. Nanalu. Ooh. There it is. Okay.